She was born where the river bends slow, in a town where the bootleggers go. Moonshine Bearclaw sweet as pie, with a Boston cream twinkle in her eye. She'd wrestle in the woods with the boys in the breeze, denim stained and heart at ease, with a trucker cap on and a laugh so free. She'd say there's more beyond this mud hole for me. From Ozark skies to paradise rings, she's chasing dreams on inebriated wings. From forest fights to neon lights, backwater girls gone to such great heights, with a donut heart and a whiskey soul. Moonshine's eyes are fixed on her goal. She took her luck on an East Coast trip, but corporate said she was too redneck. So she tipped her hat and turned away, found a brighter ring where the palm trees sway. Oh, paradise said, please come to me, far from home and across the sea. Moonie smiled and wiped away the tears, said I'll wrestle fate and forget my fears. From Ozark skies to paradise rings, she's chasing dreams on Bearclaw wings. From forest fights to neon lights, backwater girls gone to such great heights, with a donut heart and a whiskey soul. Moonshine's eyes are fixed on her goal. She don't hold grudges, she don't throw shade, just flips the script with the move she made. Donut hold, she calls it proud, a brutal spike driver that makes them scream loud. From Ozark skies to paradise rings, she's chasing dreams on backwater wings. From muddy boots to golden ropes, she's living life on country girl hopes, with a donut heart and a whiskey soul. Moonshine's eyes are fixed on her goal. She smiles at the stars in the beautiful light, and remembers the soft glow of the Ozark night.